Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter pivot table by color in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data. The first I'm going to insert the pivot table. To insert pivot table, first select the data. So to select the data, simply click on the one cell and press the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data. You can see the full data is selected. Now go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot Tables option. Then click on the From Table or Range option, and here the one dialog box is open. The range is automatically selected. You can change here the range, and after that click on the New Worksheet and click on OK, and that's it. Here the sheet is added. Okay. Now you can add the pivot table feeds. You just drag and add here. So to product name, I add in rows, price in values, total amount in values. Okay, and that's it. Your pivot table is ready. I close this, and here I apply some colors. So I just apply here green color. Then I press the F4 to apply the same action. Okay, now I use the yellow color. Then press the F4 to take the same action. Okay, now here I'm going to filter of this color wise data. Okay, to apply here on this column filter, when I press the Shift Ctrl L, the shortcut key to apply the filter is not applied. So if you want to apply the filter on this column, simply click on the cell, okay, outside this column, and press the shortcut key to apply the filter, Shift Ctrl L, and that's it. You can see in both column the filter is applied. Okay. Now just click on this drop down arrow and click on the filter by color. When you click on it, you can see here the some option, the two colors and no fill. I just click on the green one, you can see filter by color. Again click on this drop down arrow, same option. I click on the yellow one, you can see you can easily filter by color. Okay. If you want to filter by no fill, just click on the no fill. Okay. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.